Hello guys, in this tutorial we will discuss about how to use this advanced SketchUp growth frame generator plugin. So there are multiple options inside it. So how to use it? Here we will discuss one by one. So first here you can see this is the grid pattern. Okay. And here if you want to generate it as a frame, you can do it easily. So just first you have to select this one, click over here. So first one is a basic thing. Other two advanced feature the inside this are two uh, options like many different kind of complex frame patterns over here, and another one is that is also very complex, where you can generate 3D Jali Islamic pattern all are inside it. So here we will discuss one by one. Okay, so first here you have to select this multiple divided faces, and here this first option, when you will open, it will ask you to set the parameters like 1 inches, frame 1 inches, gapping, how much you want. You can give. If you don't want, just type 0. And there is a three options. Like if you want an empty hole, you have to click here like this. All empty hole will be appeared. If you don't want empty hole, if you want with class, then just select class and then click here. Class material will be generated. And if you want solid panel, then just click solid and then click generate option. That's it. Now here you can see this is the plane surface. Now we are moving to a second option, that is our advanced one. So here you can see there is a line options over here at the top. So suppose line spacing is 12 inches and base angle is 0. And here I am selecting first one, that is called a parallel lines. So when you select parallel line, it will generate a parallel line actually. If here I am giving the space between 8 inches and tube width is 1 inches by 1 inches. And here you have to select fast edge mode and click on generate option. That's it. This is a straight. There is no angle. When you will click over the angle, it will generate like this. And if you will click again angle, it will generate like this. Okay. And again, if you want to going to rotate again, it will generate like this. Okay. So this is the method that will apply. And second one is a crosshatch square. So when you will click here and click here, it will form something like that. And there is a third option like a crosshatch. Again, set parameter and click here. So here you can see this is the all part is just crossing one frame to another. If you want to make it solid, there is a one thing that you have to select. So first select face, and after setting this, you have to click here yes built into solid block. Now here you can see this model is completely solid. Okay, this is the method. And again here I want to select a pattern style in a cross hatch diamond options. So again click here. It will form a cross hatch diamond pattern within a click. Here you can see that. If you don't want angle, you just have to type a 0. And if you want the fastest generation, you have to select this option. That's it. Okay. Now here, third one is triangulate option. Again, click here. It will triangulate your model. And there's other many options over here like plane, ortho, diagonal space. It will generate like that. And other one is it weighs a star. It will form a star set. And another one is have a spider web like this. If you want it solid, you have to select this uh, build options to generate a solid one. Okay, here now I'm going to select stable pattern zigzag. Now here I'm going to line spacing will be 8 inches, angle 0, other parameter like this. And here we have to select yes option. First you have to select face and then click on generate option. So it will take a couple of seconds to generate a frame. Here is the result. Okay. So all pattern that we have discussed was inside it. That is a grid and tube generation pattern that we have followed. And in a third one, that is a very advanced one. So first you have to select the face and click here. And here you can see there are many pattern styles here. All are Islamic Jali options. So when you will click a star and cross option, you have to type the columns like 7 and this one 6 and what thickness you want of the frame. So here I'm typing 18, 8 mm, 8 mm and here is the generation fast or welded. Selecting fast option and click on the generate option. So here you can see this is done just over the click. But here it says they see that all is overlapping. But if you want a solid one, so you have to first select the face again and you have to click on the yes options. So actually it will take a couple of minutes to generate because there is a complex task between making this model solid. So you have to wait a couple of seconds. So here you can see it's perfectly done. But I will recommend you to go with this fastest one because when you will render, this line will not be visible. So yes, building will also here, but it will take a time to compile all the lines to make it solid. Okay, so now here I'm going to other option for plate folded option. Just take the column distance and like here I'm tapping 8 and this one is 7 this time and frame is 9 and 9 and click here. And here you can see this model is perfectly solid. Again here, this time I'm selecting no options and here going to select a 5-fold option, click here. It will form something like that. Next option is with hexagon weave option. Parameter will be same. You can change it according to your requirement and click again on generate 3D Jali option. And here you can see this is the hexagon weave pattern. Now here next one is 6-fold hexagon model. Just click here. Now here you can see the results. It's a very stunning, perfect, beautiful pattern. Islamic Jali kind of. Now again you have to go on a 8-fold option. Select, set the parameters again, click here. It will form in very instantly because I have selected fast generation option. Now again just going to select a different model that is 9-fold Persian. Click again here and it's forming something like that. There is some missing lines over here. It's also beautiful. If you want to use it, you can use it. Now again select this face, going to 10-fold option, click here. Now this is the perfect 10-folded Jali pattern. That is called a Giri pattern. Now here we are going to select 12-folded decahedron option and it will form something like that. Now I'm going to select honeycomb option, 12-fold, click here. It will form like that. And another one is that is a fold 14-fold Moorish option. Now it will form something like that. Here you can see. Now another one is that is a 16-fold. Just click here. And here the result. It's a perfect. It's almost perfect. Okay. Now here we are going to select a 24-fold option. Okay, so this is the last one of this 3D Jali pattern. So there are many options over here that you can use to generate a beautiful, complex 3D Jali pattern within a minute. So this plugin have many things that you can use for interior designing, and if you want this plugin, you just type a comment box, and there is also a link given in a description that you can follow to download the plugins. So guys, if you think this plugin will help you, you can comment here, and thanks for watching guys. See you next tutorial. Thank you.